Staying in the UK, an investigation has reportedly begun at the clinic in London which treated the Princess of Wales over claims staff tried to access her private medical records. The Daily Mirror alleges at least one staff member at the London clinic in central London was involved. The Princess was admitted there for abdominal surgery in January. Details of her condition have not been disclosed, with royal officials saying she wished for her medical information to remain private. Well, let's speak to our correspondent Simon Jones, who is outside that hospital in central London where Catherine was treated. So Simon, what more do we know about these claims of this privacy breach?
Well, Catherine spent 13 nights at this clinic back in January for abdominal surgery, and back then Kensington Palace made it clear they were not going to give a running commentary on her condition and on her recovery and go into any sort of detail about what her condition was. They said that she made it clear she wanted her privacy respected, but the Mirror newspaper this morning is reporting that an investigation has been launched at the clinic into claims that at least one member of staff tried to access her private medical details when she was being treated here. Now, in terms of responses to that, we know that the Information Commissioner's Office, which is basically the watchdog here in the UK for people's private information, they say they have been made aware of a potential breach and they're currently assessing it. As far as we understand, they haven't launched a formal investigation as such. Kensington Palace said this was a matter for the clinic itself. The clinic itself hasn't made any comment to the BBC, but in a statement to the Mirror newspaper, it said that every patient, regardless of their background, has the right and expectation to make sure that their private details remain exactly that, remain private.
And of course, Simon, this all comes amid intense social media speculation about Catherine and her health.
Yeah, and there will be some frustration at Kensington Palace that once again this morning we're talking about Catherine's health. Ever since she came here for surgery, there has been huge speculation about what conditions she had, about her treatment and about her recovery. And that was really fueled on Mothering Sunday when Kensington Palace released a picture of Catherine surrounded by her 3 children. People thought there was something a bit odd about the picture, and then the next day Catherine had to apologise, admitting she had edited the picture, and the picture was actually withdrawn by a number of international picture agencies because they said it had been manipulated. Then the speculation continued. We did see pictures released by the Sun newspaper yesterday, some video of Catherine visiting a farm shop near where she lives in Windsor with Prince William, but Kensington Palace even had to make the highly unusual step of confirming that it was indeed Catherine in that video rather than a body double, as some people had been speculating. Now, I think Catherine will certainly have been told about the allegations about her medical records potentially being accessed here by someone who didn't have the authority to do that. That would be standard practice in a case like this. No doubt she will be shocked herself by this, desperate to maintain her privacy. But once again, we're talking about it today.
Simon Jones in central London, thank you.